Welcome to the Origametria e-learning program teaching geometry using origami. Origametria is designed for teachers of geometry from kindergarten to grade 6. The method was developed by origami teachers and artists Miri Golan and Paul Jackson, teamed with Dr. John Oberman, an expert mathematical consultant. So let's start. We'll go to lessons. The lessons are categorized by grades and topics. They feature animated origami folding sequences with interactive Q&As. Let's go to topics. The website follows the school geometry curriculum topics. Let's now go to grade. I'll choose a second grade. And I'll demonstrate a second grade lesson, Polygon activity. Before we start, we can see the lesson's aim, structure, and the order of the lessons. In each lesson, each student folds a completed origami model, in this case, a rabbit finger puppet. So, let's enter the lesson. Our first discussion is about the shape of the paper sheet. Moving the mouse over the plus icon, we can see the step instructions for the teacher to read. At the bottom bar, the questions and answers are presented to the teacher. Please note that the teacher needs no previous knowledge of origami or following folding instructions. Every lesson presents folding instructions and also discussion questions, and each origami model was developed for the specific level of difficulty. Here the teacher asks, "What shape do you have now?" Every lesson is the product of many studies and also PISA test analysis. The reasons that we chose to present the triangle from different angles of rotation is to prevent the student from fixating on the typical concept of a triangle standing symmetrically. We count the sides and the vertices of the triangle. Now we learn about the polygon. Here we open the triangle back to a square and we ask, how many congruent triangles do we have? The answer is shown with the counter, and that's a popular feature for the children. You might notice that the animation repeats itself again and again, thus allowing the teacher to help some of the students while others can proceed with the help of the animation. Again, we continue folding while presenting discussion questions. Suppose the teacher would like to present a question outside the program. If they wish to do this, they simply press the question mark and the text disappears. At the end of this process, we learned about different kinds of polygons and the construction and also deconstruction of polygons. As a reward, we get this finger puppet rabbit. The children can draw the rabbit's face, and with the other sheet of paper, the children have an extra activity. Making 3 folds of their choice, they can colour the different polygons created between the folds. Here are some examples from 3 different pupils. The pupils are asked to identify the polygon shapes. Now we have finished the lesson. The teacher can go back and write down some feedback on the lesson. This concludes the geometry lesson. You can see the program is very user-friendly and the lessons are highly motivational and fun. Teachers will find academic articles and additional materials on the website, which will assist them further in the teaching of geometry. You are invited to go to www.origametria.com and sign up for a free trial lesson. Thank you and enjoy.